Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can hide your friends list from others in your Facebook. So in order to hide your friends list from others, simply click on these three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, you can click on this settings gear option present at the top. Then once you are inside your settings and privacy page, simply scroll down until you see this audience and visibility option. Now under here you can see the third option which says how people can find and contact you. Simply click here and it will give you a variety of options. Now one such option is who can see your friends list. Now once you will click on this drop down arrow, it will give you a lot of options. Then it is up to you to whom you want to show your friends list. If you will keep it to public, anyone on or off Facebook will be able to view your friends list. If you keep it to friends only, then only those people who you have added as a friend on Facebook will be able to view your friends list. Then if you want to hide it from some people, you can choose this friends accept button, or if you want to show it only to some people, you may choose this specific friends option. And if you don't want to show it to anybody else, then you may choose this only me option right here. And once you have selected the only me option, you are all set and get to go. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.